All right, Finny's walking, and we're going to show everybody how good he does. Ready? Go ahead, baby. Go ahead, Finn. Show everybody how you walk. No, in the back. Here. Hold on to the back and push like you were. There. There. Whoa, too fast. Good boy. Careful, it's gonna go fast. Ready? Wanna go this way? Oh, it's hard to turn around with one hand, huh? Oh, you can do it. Baby, you can do it, look. Go ahead. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, bye. Oh, what a big boy. No, you finished? Get back up and do it again, honey. There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead, baby. Come on, you want to walk? Good boy.
This is the easiest because when it's red, I have to dye it like every 3 weeks. Right. This is just being
What a good boy.
nobody's the right. So you want to basically keep it like that now?
Oh, you're stuck on all your toys. You're so big. You're so big.